Hello, in this video tutorial I will show you how to blend two video footages. In this composition I have two layers. The top layer is the sun and the bottom layer is the black hole. To blend it together you need to choose the top layer, go to Effect Controls, Opacity, and the blend mode list you need to choose Screen mode. This mode removes black background around the sun. Now you can see that the sun is the same size as the black hole. I want to make it smaller. To make it smaller, go to Motion panel and decrease the scale size. I will decrease it twice. To center it, you need to change position coordinates. Now we can see how animation looks. I think it looks perfect.